How to access Cash App if I lost my phone. So for this, we're going to use the web version of Cash App. So just go to this website, cash.app, and right here we have to log in into our account. So click on login. So hopefully you will know your mobile phone number that you use for Cash App or your email. So for me, in this case, is email. So I'm just going to input my email right here. Click on continue, and it will ask us to verify using a code. So I'm just going to input this code right here. Give me a second. So once we have input the code, it's going to look like this, or not like this. I'm just going to skip over it, but it's going to say welcome to Cash App. And right here, we can now contact support if we've lost our account. So just click on support right here from the left-hand side. And we can search for whatever information we require. Or if you don't have any access to your account, you can use this phone number that I'm showing on the screen right now. As you can see, it's available daily from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So just contact this phone number, explain what your issue is, that you have lost your phone and you can't access your Cash App account, or you can start a chat with them. So just click on here, and then if you're using another phone, then you can do it like that. But I suggest doing it by phone. Sorry. So hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.